Universal Appliance Depot with 25 branches nationwide. Sir George Salon by the Mary Pauline Salon Group. Plum Equipment.
Gucci bag popping Simply Beautiful Morning Show with Simply Casey before
Showtime! Tama ka dyan, Luis! At para naman sa mga kapamilya nating nag-text para magka-chance manood ng Asap Box Office premiere ng Sex and the City 2, hintayin nyo lang guys ang text confirmation sa inyo ng ABS-CBN Interactive para malaman ninyo na kayo at wala nang iba kundi kayo ang nanalo ng premiere ticket.
Nakakairita ba to? Para sa lahat ng inyong request online, visit us at asap.abs-cbn.com. That's right, mas nakakairita to. Visit our official Facebook page, www.facebook.com/asapofficial.
Tama. At ito guys, konting warning lang. Marami po kasi na ibang ASAP XB accounts claiming to be the official... I know. Shh, Billy. Shh, it's okay. Sit down, sit down. Nag-claiming na sila po yung official account on Twitter. No. Hindi po totoo yung mga taong yon. You will only follow the real account which is at ASAP Official for ASAP XB updates. And we are tweeting at the moment.
We're so live tweeting right now. Speaking of Twitter or Twitter, itong next performer natin is siguradong ka-tweet ang gagawin at sobrang fan na fan tayo and I super like this. I love it.
Ang kuya ng bayan.
Together with the Street Boys and the Showtime dancers, please give it up for Mr. Palpable himself, Von Navarro! Idol!
Mr. Papapon, la 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 lovable, huggable and kissable. Mr. Papapon, get to know me more. Puso mo'y mapapatambo. They call me Mr. Papapon, but that is not my name. Lahat ng maka-view ng profile ko na i-insane. I-google mo ako, ang dami hits na lalabas. Sa friend suggestions mo, ako ang laging magpa-flash. Mr. Papapon, la 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 lovable, huggable and kissable. Mr. Papapon, get to know me more. Puso mo'y mapapatambo. Sa leaderboard ng poker, ako ang nanguna. I have so many calls at chicks na hihingit sila. Ang dami kong animals, ang fan ko ang laki-laki. Be my neighbor, kita-kits na lang sa FB. Mr. Papapon, la 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 lovable, huggable and kissable. Mr. Papapon, get to know me more. Puso mo'y mapapatambo. Ako si Mr. Papapon, di naman nagyayabang kahit di macho. Pinag-aarawan ng chicks na makalaro sa poker. Magkaroon sa party together. Sa newsfeed, updated sila. Merong private message pa. Lahat sila gusto maka-eyeball. Nag-isa Mr. Papapon. Mr. Papapon, get to know me more. Puso mo'y mapapatambo.
Thank you to all my supporters in Indonesia, Malaysia, and Thailand. Isang bago na naman Asian destination ang ating bibisitahin. Welcome to the Lion City, Singapore. I am Christian Bautista, and here is another ASAP A Sensation exclusive all access. Next stop, ang HMV Record Bar sa Singapore. Super happy to see my romance-visited album on its shelf. As I watch you and finally, the day of my music video shoot is here. We are shooting the music video of Please Be Careful With My Heart, the English and Mandarin version with the Singaporean singing sensation, Kewei Tay. Hey everybody, we're here with Kewei Tay. So how does it feel shooting a music video?
I think it was very difficult for Christian because he had to carry me around. Then we were playing, acting like lovers for a day. I was a crush on him for one day.
Another unforgettable Asian trip. Hope to see you again on my next Asian adventure. And now I come home ASAP to share with you another song on my album. With the lovely Carmen Sue, here's my rendition of Can We Just Stop and Talk a While. Smile while everybody else around us is going about. Can we just stop and talk a be waiting.